Hey everyone, it's Tika Lopez, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my wallet, credit scores. Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my credit score in just 1 week using these easy tips. Let's get started. Let's be real, late payments are the ultimate credit score killer. Set up payment reminders or automate those payments. Most banks and credit card companies offer automatic payment options, taking the stress out of remembering deadlines. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about credit card debt. High credit utilization can really drag down your score. Lenders see high utilization as a sign of potential risk. Focus on paying down high interest debt first. Knocking them out can free up some serious cash flow. Remember, every little bit counts. You wouldn't believe how many people have errors lurking on their credit reports, totally unaware of the damage they're causing. Get your free credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion annually. Scan for inaccuracies like incorrect personal information, accounts that aren't yours, or duplicate entries. These are all red flags that need to be addressed. Let's talk about the allure of those shiny new credit cards. Each time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report. A flurry of them can send up red flags to lenders. Before you start filling out those applications, ask yourself, do you really need another line of credit right now? Now, let's talk about a debt repayment strategy that's all about building momentum, the snowball method. List out all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Focus all your extra cash flow on attacking that smallest debt first while making minimum payments on everything else. Once that smallest debt is vanquished, roll that payment amount over to the next smallest debt on your list, and so on. Life happens, and sometimes unexpected events can throw a wrench in our best laid financial plans. If you're ever struggling to make payments, remember you're not alone. One often overlooked option is negotiating with your creditors. They might be willing to offer options like a temporary reduction in payments, a lower interest rate, or even a hardship program. Creditors would much rather work with you to find a solution than resort to drastic measures like collections. Let's talk about a strategy that can be especially beneficial for those who are new to the credit game or rebuilding their credit history. Becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit account. When you become an authorized user, that account's payment history and credit limit get factored into your credit score, giving it a potential boost. Choose wisely when it comes to who you partner with for this. So there you have it, 7 powerful strategies to take control of your credit score and unlock a world of financial opportunities. By applying these strategies consistently, you can significantly improve your credit score over time. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you struggled with bad credit in the past? What strategies have you used to improve your credit score? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more financial tips, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some clever ways to save money on everyday expenses.